Welcome to AI Masterclass. You've spent 6 days building a world-class AI sales engine, but a machine sitting in a garage is just expensive junk. Today is day 7, and I'm going to show you how to use that exact machine to execute the meta move. We are going to use the AI to find, research, and pitch the CEOs of other companies, selling them your product or the very system you just built in last 6 videos, an AI sales machine. I will use AI sales machine as a product we want to sell. By the end of this video, you will have a hit list of 50 high-ticket prospects and the exact inception script that makes a meeting inevitable. Let's get you paid. The strategy, the inception outreach. The hardest part of selling AI automation is proving it works. The meta move solves this. You aren't going to tell them you're an expert, you're going to show them. We are targeting high-burn companies. These are agencies with 10 to 50 employees, or SaaS startups, that just raised funding. They are currently spending $15,000 a month on a sales team that is underperforming. Your pitch is simple. I've built a digital employee that does the work of your entire sales representative team for 5% of the cost. In fact, that's exactly how I found you. This creates immediate curiosity. You aren't a solicitor, you're a practitioner. Here is how we find your first 5 clients, the hiring trigger. In Clay, we filter for companies hiring for sales roles. This proves they have a lead gen problem and a budget. The website audit. We use the Perplexity API column to answer one question. Does this company have a chatbot or any visible AI automation on their site? The gap analysis. If they are hiring and have no AI, they are a gold lead. Now, the script logic. We feed Claude 3.5 their job posting and say, write a short email, mention they are hiring for an SDR. Explain that a manual SDR will take 3 months to train, but your AI agent is ready today. Mention that this email was actually generated by that agent. If you land just one client at a $2,500 setup fee and a $1,500 monthly retainer, you are already 60% of the way to at least $6,000. Get 2, and you've cleared it. This is how you escape the 9 to 5 using the tools I've taught you this week. I'm giving you my Meta Move Campaign Kit. It includes the exact Clay search filters to find high-burn companies and the 3-step Inception email sequence that landed my first automation client. Details in the description. Tomorrow, we start week 2, Advanced AI Agents. We're going from simple emails to AI that can think, browse, and decide. Hit subscribe. It's time to level up.